Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is called the Hero Slayer Dark Mirror. I don't know about this game yet, but let's play the game again. But this is a Metroidvania style game, so I know a little bit of I'm a veteran on that genre. But spoiler though, I don't know the game is about really. Let's go. Wake up. Hold on, don't lose consciousness. Hey, little bone. Did this kid die as well? This kid really shouldn't die. Well, or a battlefield maybe. Oh, skeleton. That just, oh man. Oh, thank goodness you're alive. I guess the shock knocked you out. Wake up. They know where you are. Strange fellow. Anyway, such a relief. First, listen carefully. The attack of the humans has begun. The other skeletons are fighting with them. Okay, press right button. Press right button and follow the humans. Don't worry about me. I can find the leg somewhere and fix myself. Get going. Press A button to go faster. There's no time. Don't forget that it can also be used to evade attacks. I'll leave it to you. Little bone, over here. You are safe. I can't move anymore. Press B to jump. Press it twice to perform a double jump. Quick, come here. Quick, come here. Yeah. Big trouble. Skeleton. The Demon King and the officials, humans who have got a strike the top floor. Me and the others skeletons are going after them. I'm running out of mana. You should save the Demon King and the rest. Take this. It's my leg bone. This one up. Okay. I don't have much time. Please save the Demon King and the officials. Oh, what the hell? Okay. You survived the attack. A cage that can seal my mana, huh? Looks like Carleon now has some useful memory pages. The skeleton guards just passed by. I told them I'll be fine and told them to save the Demon King. A few of them insisted on trying to save me and got killed instead. I don't think the skeleton guards are enough to save the Demon King. Please follow them quickly. Let's go. Meow. Okay. Aren't you the Mew guard captain? What is happening right now? Oh, witch, you are safe. Little bone, did you save the witch? This must be your first time fighting against humans. You did so well. Apologies, looks like everyone in the skeleton guard got killed. How did they? I mean, you're the strongest skeleton. did this. Yeah. Who? It wasn't a person. It was an ogre. An ogre? Why would an ogre? What are you talking about? Something was strange. There was a dark stone embedded in his body and he was in a frenzy. It seemed like he couldn't hear what we were saying. His power, it was nothing like that of any other ogre I've met. He was too powerful. The dark stone? Little bone. I'm infuriated but I can't move further. Take my head, I will empower with it. I will empower it with all the mana I have left. Fight them and save our people. Thank you very much. Oh. Is that the ogre that the guard captain I was talking about? The one in front of the castle niya. Hey you! Ogre Mongol. Okay. Was this ogre that the guard captain was talking about? Come to your senses. Looks okay for now. Let's get to the castle first and talk then. Meow. Okay. Pursue. Successful defeated by a skeleton. Disgusting demons. Ooh.
밝은 달이 떠있던 밤이었습니다.
Okay, I can't understand Korean though. I need to read the moon was shining brightly like the night.
소년은 결국 지쳐 쓰러졌고 그런 소년을 위해 그림자가 드리워졌어요. 그리고
Okay, Korean. We will change it to English dub. You are awake, Skull. Listen carefully to what I say from now on. Currently, the Demon King Castle is facing an unprecedented crisis. It hasn't been long since the peace treaty was signed, and a quick ambush. It was impossible to stop. As much as I would like to drop a giant meteor on Carrion for vengeance, treating the wounds from the first hero's previous attack is already too much. I have no other choice but to ask you to rescue the Demon King. I can't believe I'm asking this much from such a small skeleton guard. Please go and save the Demon King, our officials and our demon friends. Take this. Kulit. Oh man. The bad guys are the good guys. Well, alright. Then the humans are the bad guys now. Okay. Well, it's true. Sometimes. It's a scroll containing a dimensional spell. It can help you store objects that you find during your journey. There's the minus. This guy. Check out this you've acquired. Go now. Skull. Stay safe. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. A dash A. Okay, nice. Switch style is done. Opposite the controller. Oh, okay. Oh, little bone. Where are you going? Are you going to go into the forest? I don't recommend going in there right now. Look what the forest has done to me. The ants are acting strange and the forest is aggressive. Well, ants are not really hostile, but let's just say they're being very violent. The way they glare, I'm sure the humans have done something to them. After that day, so many humans have appeared in the forest. You really have to think twice if you plan to enter the forest. I mean, if you really have to go, that is, be careful. Yeah. Oh wait, what is this? Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, they are really... So this is human versus demons. Release. Okay, wait. Do you want to compare our height? Thanks a lot. I ended up here because I was immediately looking for herbs. You look like you're the same age as me, but you're amazing. You look so brave when you are fighting. I think we can be good friends. Hey, I'll give you a gift as a sign of our friendship. I'll see you again. Bye. Ow. Okay. Nice. What the hell? Oh. Oh, the funny number. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Ah. Green. Is this a roguelike game or I am feeling this is a roguelike game, huh? Why did you bring me out? I like camp feeling. Do I need to go back to the temple? Since you're here anyways, you may let us well receive a blessing. Do you have money? I don't really need it, just need gold to receive the Demon Lord's blessing. Just give me 110 gold and change your skill into something else. It's not my fault if you get a skill you don't want. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yes, please. Oh. Yes, of course. Oh. Ow. Okay, this is roguelike. Alright then. God, I really think I have to tell you this. The first hero attack us. That day the first hero attacks, do you remember? The ogre attack us controlled by a dark stone. You'd know by now that, but that was no regular stone skull. The people who know about those stones call them dark warts. Dark warts carry an unimaginable power. It seems like Carleon is using them for military purposes. Once they begin to fully use dark warts, they will bring danger not only to the Demon King Castle but to the whole continent of Harmonia. Luckily, the Carleon mages aren't capable of using the power of dark warts at its full potential, but we can't spare them any more time. Gather the dark warts they have. They should never gain the power of dark warts. I know the right way to use them. I'll help you by using that power scroll. The magic scroll will show you the path. You can become stronger. Okay, thank you. Nope. Doink. Oh, little one, where are you going? Ah, okay. This is a roguelike. Ow. Okay. So which means there's this. Ow. Oh wait, what the? Okay, green. Okay, nice. I think this is better. Ow! Again? Add trait. Yes, I'm much older than I look. How do I take care of my skin? Why do you ask? Oh my god. Okay. Select your traits carefully. I think this. Yeah. Well. Oh! Okay. Let's repeat. This is a roguelike game, so let's be more careful. Ow. Okay, yeah. And there's treasure. Okay, nice. Okay, maybe later we'll download. Maybe I will download Evoland. I think. Physical attack increases magic attack. Physical attack for now because green. I think. Oh. Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Live. Huh? What's a skeleton doing in such a dangerous place? You better get out of here while you can. Danka, the Karlian troops will be performing their final attack on this place. Danka. We lost our treasured brethren to their ambush. Danka, we are one. Danka, will fight the Karlian until the very end. Danka, the Danka's honor is at stake. They know now. Skeleton, flee this place, don't worry about us, and leave Danka. Want to help us? You are a warrior, alright? If we win this battle, we'll put the Danka's honor on the line and repay you. We'll show you our tenacity. We'll definitely win. Danka, nothing can tear us apart. Danka, unless it's a bomb. Danka. Alright. Ready to defensively position. Oh my god. Yeesh. Okay. There's more history to the Demon King Castle than meets the eye. Christians by Zero. Once the highest floor of the Demon King's castle was filled to the brim with senators. Legend has it that one of the senators lost his footing and fell, becoming the first of all skeletons. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everyone. Follow for more, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British Flag.